For centuries, humanity has gazed upward, mesmerized by the stars, the vast cosmos, and the mysteries of the universe. Yet, beneath our very feet lies a realm just as enigmatic, a hidden world of unimaginable complexity and wonder. Miles below the surface, beyond the reach of sunlight and human eyes, Earth's interior holds secrets that challenge everything we thought we knew. But with every discovery comes new questions. What forces shape this hidden world? How do they affect the surface we inhabit? And what mysteries remain locked away, waiting to be uncovered? Join us on a journey into the depths, where science meets mystery, and the story of our planet's inner life unfolds. 1. The core of the Earth. It started with a seismic riddle that no one could explain. Deep beneath our feet, where no human has ever ventured, scientists detected strange echoes bouncing through the Earth's heart. Something was hidden inside the inner core, a secret world within a world, and it defied everything we thought we knew about our planet. In 2002, seismologists first noticed odd patterns in the way earthquake waves traveled through the Earth's center. These waves, which should have followed predictable paths, suddenly twisted and shifted as if passing through an unknown boundary. The inner core, once believed to be a simple solid ball of iron and nickel, was hiding something far stranger. Rick, a veteran geophysicist, recalled the moment his team realized they were onto something big. "We were staring at the data, and it was like the Earth itself was whispering a secret," he said. The waves weren't just passing through. They were revealing a hidden layer, a core inside the core. For years, researchers tried to map this mysterious inner core. They sent seismic waves ping-ponging through the planet, hoping to catch clearer signals. But the data was noisy, inconsistent, and often contradictory. Some scientists doubted the very existence of this innermost inner core, dismissing it as a measurement error or anomaly. Then, a breakthrough came. Using advanced computer modeling and a global network of seismometers, a team confirmed a solid sphere roughly 400 miles wide nested within the inner core. But this discovery raised more questions than answers. Why did this inner core have different crystal structures? What forces shaped it? And how did it survive the unimaginable heat and pressure? To this day, the innermost inner core remains Earth's greatest enigma. Scientists can only speculate about its role in generating our planet's magnetic field or its influence on tectonic activity. It's a silent, hidden world, a secret locked away beneath thousands of miles of rock. And as we continue to listen, the Earth's whispers grow fainter, leaving us with a haunting question. What else lies buried in the depths, waiting to be discovered? 2. The growing anomaly in Earth's magnetic field. It began as a faint, unsettling dent in Earth's magnetic shield, an invisible scar that threatened to unravel the planet's protective force field. Scientists first noticed this strange weakness over the South Atlantic, but what they didn't expect was how fast it would grow, split, and evolve, baffling experts and endangering satellites orbiting above. Back in the early 2000s, satellite data revealed a puzzling anomaly in the Earth's magnetic field, a vast region of unusually weak magnetism stretching over South America and the southern Atlantic Ocean. This South Atlantic anomaly, SAA, was not just a curiosity. It was a dangerous gateway where charged solar particles could penetrate closer to Earth than anywhere else, wreaking havoc on satellites and spacecraft. NASA engineers recalled moments when satellites suddenly malfunctioned while passing through this zone. It was like the Earth's magnetic shield had a hole, one technician said. Systems would glitch, data would scramble, and sometimes satellites had to shut down temporarily to protect themselves. Scientists launched countless studies, deploying satellites and ground sensors to map the anomaly's behavior. They discovered the SAA was not static. It was expanding westward and, more alarmingly, splitting into two distinct lobes. The cause remained elusive. Was it a temporary glitch or a sign of a deeper planetary shift? Models failed to fully predict its evolution. Recent research uncovered that the anomaly's root lies deep inside Earth's core and mantle, where uneven cooling creates hot zones beneath Africa and the Pacific. These hot spots disrupt the flow of molten iron that generates the magnetic field, weakening it regionally. Yet, why these particular areas? And how long will this fragile shield continue to fracture? The SAA's growth poses a silent threat to our technological infrastructure in space, but it also hints at profound changes within Earth's interior. Could this be a prelude to a magnetic pole reversal? Will the anomaly expand further, exposing Earth to more cosmic radiation? For now, scientists watch anxiously, tracking the anomaly's slow but relentless dance, waiting for answers that may reshape our understanding of the planet's hidden forces. 3. Earth's hidden ocean, the Goliath beneath our feet. Imagine an ocean so vast it could fill all the surface oceans on Earth, 3 times over, and yet it's hidden beneath our feet, trapped deep inside the planet. This underground sea isn't water as we know it. It's locked inside minerals, invisible and unreachable. For decades, scientists searched for signs of this secret ocean, and what they found changed everything. In 2014, a team of geophysicists deployed thousands of seismometers across the United States, listening to the faint echoes of hundreds of earthquakes. Among the data, they detected something extraordinary, a mineral called ringwoodite, buried about 400 miles beneath the surface, soaked with water. This discovery suggested a gargantuan reservoir of water trapped deep in Earth's mantle, an ocean unlike any other. Steve Jacobson, the lead geophysicist, described the moment they realized the implications. It was like discovering a hidden lake beneath a desert, he said. But this lake was locked inside rock, under crushing pressure and heat. It rewrote what we thought about Earth's water cycle. For years, the idea of a deep Earth ocean was controversial. Traditional models placed most of Earth's water on the surface or in the crust. Attempts to detect water deep in the mantle failed or produced ambiguous results. Many scientists doubted the ringwoodite findings, questioning whether it could hold enough water to be called an ocean. But the evidence grew stronger. Ringwoodite's crystal structure acts like a sponge, absorbing hydrogen and trapping vast amounts of water. This hidden ocean could influence volcanic activity, tectonics, and even the origin of Earth's surface water. Yet, how did so much water get trapped so deep? And could this reservoir ever resurface? This subterranean ocean remains one of Earth's most profound mysteries. It challenges our understanding of the planet's formation and the cycles that sustain life. Could shifts in this hidden reservoir trigger earthquakes or volcanic eruptions? And if this ocean is real, what other secrets lie in the dark, crushing depths beneath us? Secrets we have barely begun to fathom? 4. The giant river flowing beneath Antarctica. Beneath the endless ice sheets of Antarctica, scientists discovered something astonishing. A colossal river, nearly 300 miles long, flowing silently in the dark. Hidden under miles of ice, this river challenges everything we thought about the frozen continent and its hidden, liquid secrets. In the early 2000s, radar-equipped aircraft began scanning the Antarctic ice sheet, searching for clues about what lay beneath. Then, the data revealed a startling truth. A vast river, stretching 285 miles, coursing beneath the ice toward the Weddell Sea. This was no small trickle. It was a giant, subterranean waterway, invisible and unstoppable. Martin Seegert, a glaciologist involved in the discovery, recalled his shock. "We thought lakes beneath the ice were isolated," he said. "But this river showed us there's a whole network of waterways hidden beneath kilometers of ice, an underground world we never imagined." Scientists struggled to understand how such a river could exist in one of Earth's coldest places. How could liquid water flow beneath ice that's thousands of feet thick and temperatures well below freezing? Early models failed to explain the heat sources or the water's movement. Was it geothermal heat, pressure melting, or something else entirely? Further studies revealed that this river connects a series of subglacial lakes, forming a vast, dynamic system. The flow affects ice sheet stability and could influence global sea levels. Yet, the exact mechanisms driving this hidden river remain elusive. How long has it been flowing? Could it suddenly change course, destabilizing the ice above? This giant Antarctic river is a chilling reminder that Earth's surface hides vast, unseen forces. Its silent flow beneath the ice could hold clues to climate change's future impact. And as we probe deeper, one question haunts scientists. What other massive, hidden waterways lie beneath our planet's frozen deserts, quietly shaping the world above? 5. Earth's core leaking ancient helium from the Big Bang. Deep within Earth's core, a ghostly gas escapes. Helium-3, a rare isotope forged not in Earth's fires, but in the earliest moments of the universe. This ancient helium leak is a cosmic whisper from the Big Bang itself, trapped for billions of years beneath our feet, now slowly seeping out. In 2022, scientists studying volcanic gases and deep Earth emissions made a startling discovery. Helium-3 was escaping from Earth's interior. Unlike the common helium-4 found in the atmosphere, helium-3 is incredibly rare and believed to have formed during the Big Bang, over 13 billion years ago. How could such primordial gas survive inside Earth's core for so long? Peter Olson, lead researcher on the study, described the moment their instruments detected helium-3. It was like hearing a message from the dawn of time, he said. This gas is a relic of the universe's birth, leaking up from the planet's deepest reaches. Scientists had long debated whether helium-3 could exist inside Earth or if it would have escaped long ago. Early attempts to detect it were inconclusive or dismissed as contamination. The challenge was isolating helium-3 signals from the overwhelming presence of helium-4 and other gases. Many researchers doubted the core could preserve such an ancient isotope. The discovery raised profound questions. Why is helium-3 still trapped in Earth's core? What processes allow it to leak slowly to the surface? Could this gas reveal secrets about Earth's formation and its place in the cosmos? The core, once thought to be a sealed, unchanging vault, now seemed like a dynamic, evolving chamber with cosmic connections. The helium-3 leak remains a haunting enigma. It challenges our understanding of Earth's interior and the planet's cosmic history. Could other primordial elements be hidden deep inside, waiting to be uncovered? And what does this ancient gas tell us about the fragile boundary between Earth and the universe beyond? 6. The diamond factory at Earth's core. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, where temperatures soar and pressures crush, scientists uncovered a secret diamond factory. Unlike the gems we know, these diamonds aren't born near volcanoes. They form miles beneath, in a molten metal cauldron, forged by forces beyond imagination. In 2022, a team from the U.S. Department of Energy's Advanced Photon Source recreated the extreme conditions of Earth's core using powerful lasers and X-rays. Their goal? To understand how carbon behaves under crushing heat and pressure. What they found stunned them. Conditions deep in the core could transform carbon into diamonds by the dozen. Lead researcher Dr. Emily Chun recalled the experiment's moment of revelation. We watched carbon atoms rearrange under intense pressure, forming diamond structures, she said. It was like witnessing a hidden diamond factory churning away deep inside our planet. For decades, scientists believed diamonds formed only in the upper mantle, brought to the surface by volcanic eruptions. But attempts to explain carbon's fate deeper in Earth failed. Carbon's interaction with molten iron and water-rich minerals under core conditions was poorly understood. Early models couldn't replicate the extreme environment accurately. The experiments revealed that water from descending oceanic crust minerals reacts with molten iron to create oxides, while carbon crystallizes into diamonds. This process could produce vast quantities of diamonds deep within Earth's core, locked away and inaccessible. But why does this diamond factory exist? And could it influence Earth's geology or magnetic field? This discovery opens a new chapter in Earth science. It suggests that diamonds are not just precious stones, but part of a dynamic, hidden process deep inside the planet. How many diamonds lie buried miles beneath us? Could shifts in this diamond factory impact Earth's interior? And what other treasures might the core be hiding, silently forming in the dark? 7. Never-before-seen magnetic waves in Earth's outer core. Deep inside Earth's outer core, invisible waves ripple silently, traveling faster than anyone expected. These magnetic waves, discovered only recently, reveal a hidden dance within our planet's molten heart, a mysterious phenomenon that challenges everything scientists thought they knew. In 2018, data from the European Space Agency's Swarm satellite mission revealed an unexpected discovery: magnetic waves sweeping across Earth's outer core at speeds of nearly 932 miles per year. These waves were unlike anything previously observed, moving much faster than predicted by existing theories. Nicholas Gillett, lead author of the study, described the moment the team realized the significance. "We had long theorized about magnetic waves deep in the core, but to see them moving so quickly was astonishing," he said. "It was like uncovering a secret rhythm beating at the planet's center." Prior to this discovery, scientists relied on surface-based instruments and theoretical models that suggested such waves would take centuries or millennia to travel. Attempts to detect them directly failed due to limited data coverage. Only with global satellite measurements could the team finally observe these elusive ripples. The nature of these waves remains puzzling. They may influence Earth's magnetic field, which protects life from harmful solar radiation. But how are they generated? What causes their speed and patterns? And what role do they play in the mysterious processes powering Earth's geodynamo? These magnetic waves open a new window into Earth's hidden interior, hinting at dynamic processes we barely understand. Could changes in these waves signal shifts in the magnetic field, including reversals? What other unseen forces ripple through the molten core, shaping our planet's fate? For now, the waves continue their silent journey, a haunting reminder of the mysteries beneath our feet. 8. Hidden zone beneath Earth's tectonic plates. Scientists uncovered a strange, partly molten zone lurking beneath Earth's tectonic plates. A hidden layer that could rewrite what we know about plate tectonics and the restless forces shaping our planet's surface. In 2023, researchers at the University of Texas made a startling discovery. A previously unidentified region of partly molten rock about 100 miles beneath the surface, nestled within the upper mantle. This hidden zone lies just below the tectonic plates, acting as a mysterious boundary that influences their movement. Dr. Laura Martinez, a geophysicist on the team, recalled the moment they realized the significance. "We were analyzing seismic data and noticed unusual wave patterns," she said. "It was like finding a secret layer beneath the plates, something that didn't fit with existing models." For decades, scientists believed the asthenosphere, the soft, flowing layer beneath tectonic plates, was mostly molten rock that allowed plates to glide. But attempts to understand the exact nature of this boundary were inconclusive. Some models emphasized melt, others heat and convection, but none fully explained plate motions. This new research suggests that heat and rock convection, rather than melt, play a dominant role in driving plate movements. The partly molten zone acts as a dynamic interface, but its properties and behavior remain mysterious. How does this hidden zone interact with deeper mantle layers? Could changes here trigger earthquakes or volcanic eruptions? This discovery challenges long-held assumptions about Earth's interior and tectonic activity. The hidden zone beneath our feet might hold the key to understanding earthquakes, mountain formation, and continental drift. Yet, much remains unknown. What secrets does this molten boundary conceal? And how might it influence the future of our ever-changing planet? 9. Unidentified structures near the Earth's core. Deep beneath the Pacific Ocean, scientists stumbled upon strange, dense rock formations hiding near the boundary between Earth's core and mantle. These bizarre structures defied explanation, hinting at unknown processes shaping our planet's interior. In 2020, a team from the University of Maryland analyzed thousands of seismic wave echoes beneath the Marquesas Islands in the South Pacific. They detected unusual signals indicating hot, highly dense rock formations lurking near the core mantle boundary, structures unlike anything previously documented. Lead author Doyen Kim described the moment they realized they were seeing something extraordinary. "By examining thousands of echoes simultaneously, we gained a new perspective," Kim said. "It was like uncovering hidden islands of rock, buried deep in the Earth's interior." Previously, glimpses of these structures were rare and poorly understood. Attempts to study them individually yielded limited data. The challenge was to piece together a coherent picture from scattered seismic signals. Many theories were proposed, but none fully explained their origin or composition. These dense rock formations could be remnants of ancient mantle plumes or fragments of subducted tectonic plates, but their exact nature remains a mystery. Their heat and density might influence mantle convection and the behavior of the core itself. Yet, why do they cluster in this region? What role do they play in Earth's deep dynamics? These hidden structures remind us that Earth's interior is far from uniform or static. They could hold clues to volcanic hotspots, magnetic field fluctuations, or even seismic hazards. But for now, they remain enigmatic, silent witnesses to the planet's turbulent inner life, a mystery waiting to be unraveled. 10. The subterranean Galapagos, a hidden ecosystem bursting with life. Beneath the Earth's crust lies a vast, unseen world teeming with life. Billions of microorganisms thriving in darkness, heat, and crushing pressure. This subterranean Galapagos is an ecosystem unlike any other, hidden miles below our feet, challenging everything we thought about life's limits. In 2018, at the American Geophysical Union meeting, researchers revealed a staggering discovery. About 70% of Earth's microbes live deep underground, in a sprawling biosphere within the crust. This subterranean ecosystem is massive, diverse, and largely unexplored, a hidden world thriving in extreme conditions. Rick Caldwell, a microbial ecologist at Oregon State University, described the awe of this revelation. "It's like discovering an alien world beneath our feet," he said. "These microbes survive where life should be impossible, without sunlight, with limited nutrients, under immense pressure." For years, scientists underestimated the extent of subsurface life. Early studies focused on surface ecosystems, assuming deep Earth was barren. Attempts to sample and study these microbes faced technical challenges, and many questions remained about their metabolisms and interactions with surface life. This subterranean biosphere may harbor life forms with metabolisms unlike anything on the surface, possibly influencing Earth's geology and climate. Yet, how do these organisms survive so deep and isolated? What unknown species lurk in this dark biosphere? And how might they respond to changes in Earth's interior? The subterranean Galapagos challenges our understanding of life's resilience and adaptability. It raises profound questions about the origins of life and the potential for life on other planets. These discoveries remind us that the boundary between the known and unknown lies not only in the stars above, but also in the shadows beneath us. The subterranean biospheres, the magnetic waves, the molten zones beneath tectonic plates, all hint at forces that shape life, climate, and the very ground we walk on. The journey into Earth's hidden world is far from over. As technology advances and curiosity drives us deeper, who knows what wonders and enigmas await discovery? The planet beneath our feet is a vast, unexplored frontier, an eternal invitation to explore, understand, and marvel. Feel free to leave your comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mysteries like this.